Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange your home screen in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So if you want to open the home screen settings, just hold the finger on the display. Now we can go to the wallpaper and style. This is the place where you can change your wallpaper, so just tap on it and click on the wallpapers. Now you can choose your new one, so select the most you like it and click on the done. You can also change the color palette here if you want to change the color accents in the system. Just turn on the color palette and choose your color. After that, click on the apply and that's it. Now we can go to the widgets. Themes works exactly same like in the wallpaper, so I think you will get it. In the widgets, if you want to add any, just choose the app, expand the icon, and now just choose the toolbar. Now hold it and choose the place on the home screen. You can also change the size of the widget by swiping the edge of the square. If you want to remove that, hold the finger and choose remove. If you want to make a folder, just hold any app and drop onto another. Now you can choose the color for your folder, and you can also change the name. If you want to add more apps, just click on the plus and choose the app that you want to add to the folder. Then click on the done. If you want to remove the folder, just hold the finger on it and just remove, that's it. Now we can go to the settings, and as you can see I have a home screen grid if you want to change the amount of the application in the rows and in the columns. And you can also manage the app icon badges from here. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.